Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to restore your Block Blast progress after reinstall. If you reinstalled Block Blast and your progress isn't showing, don't panic, it can be restored. First of all, open Block Blast and log in with the same account you've used before, Block Blast ID, Google Play or Gaming Center. Then tap Restore Progress if prompted. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi to mobile data. If not possible, then make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi and you're not connected in a public Wi-Fi so the app runs smoothly. Then go ahead and tap Restore Progress if prompted. Go ahead and avoid creating a new account. This may overwrite your old progress. After syncing, all your levels, coins and items should return to the app, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.